The demolition of what used to be my small house. My screen wall has also been kicked down. Yeah, ne? They say you have to believe that God breaks to rebuild. So, from ashes, I should rise. Look at that. Now I have makeshift houses. Yo. Yeah, I can now kami cook. Me cook. Sumulala like kami cook, yeah. I've also moved the concrete outside the yard. Larger heap there, small heap there. The sand will also have to move out at some point. Simply because the yard is way too small for my building material to coexist with the building process. So yeah, heartbroken for my house that had to be demolished because it's just not part of the plan. And I can't even keep it as a storeroom as it is within the bigger structure set out points. Yeah, ne?